Hello everyone, welcome to Lead Web. In the last video, we have seen a module called follow and we understood how to use that. Now in this small video today, I'm explain you a wonderful feature called module called recall bot. Now most of the people who are working in this industry, he's a freelancer, he has a small scale company or he work for some software development company, they do not have privilege to have a personal assistant who reminds you of something. Okay, so follow up messages module will help you send a reminder message to customer who probably is interested in your product. But apart from that, there are a lot of things which needs constant reminder. For example, if your customer says call me tomorrow, so for that purpose, you won't be able to use a follow-up module. In that case, recall bot will help you. Now, how this uh, application or module is going to help you in that, you will see in this video. Go to recall bot. It has a warning that use a dedicated WhatsApp number for recall bot. Avoid using the same number in auto reply chatbot flow or AI chatbot or any other modules in this application so far. Okay. So you go to recall bot module, select the instance ID. First, you have to configure your AI API settings. Just click on that. Select, I'm selecting chat GPT. I'm writing my key here. I'm copy pasting my key here. I'm enabling this application. I'm clicking on save. Okay. The recall bot setting successfully saved. Now you just have to see how this is going to work. Okay. For example, let's open my phone screen. This is my screen and this is the number I have scanned in a recall bot. So I will simply write remind me to call Rahul in 1 minute. We won't replace this, so I'm writing 1 minute. You can write anything. Look, you can write remind me to call Rahul tomorrow at 5 p.m. or next week at 5 p.m. anything. Okay, this is just for testing, so I'm writing remind me to call Rahul in 1 minute and I'm just sending this message. So what recall what will do, it will automatically send a message which will say perfect, will remind you to call Rahul, is logged and loaded for 7:18. Now it's 7:17, so it'll remind me in the next 1 minute. Okay, so we will wait and we will see the reply and then we'll continue. Okay, so after a minute it gave us the reminder. So this is how it works. So you can utilize this module to make this as your personal assistant. So I hope you understood the recall bot and I will see you in the next one.